when you're upskilling your chord hand, it's always a good idea to place the capo up a few frets where it's narrow and easier, particularly if you have a smaller hand. And once you've got the skills, you can then remove the capo and come down to where the frets are wider. In this short video, we're going to just keep these two fingers in this position as much as possible. You can play thousands of songs without actually moving them out of position. Here we have a G chord, and I'm just moving to a C at 9. Still haven't moved these two fingers. I'm moving to an EM7. Still haven't moved these two fingers. I'm moving to AM7, moving the third finger only. So the little finger has not moved. And I'm moving to a D7 sus4. The little finger still has not moved. And you can play so many songs without moving your little finger, and very often without moving your third finger. G, C at 9, EM7, AM7, D7 sus4. This was on most of the time, and this hasn't moved at all. I'm back to G. It just makes chord changing so much easier. Haven't moved my thumb at all. Haven't lost my space between my hand and the guitar neck.